Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram na for Rexona na endorsement niya. Yun o. And fitness era. Catherine. And mga workout. Catherine. Sabi, move more and move clearly with the Ultimate Fitness Essential. The new Rexona powder dry now with the dual power and of Glutashield. And to keep your underarm feeling fresh and looking bright, you know. Ang ganda ni Catherine. Ito pa, sa post ni Esay, niyakap pa nga siya ni Catherine. Sabi niya, I believe it does, and here, God's plan is better than mine, you know. Ayan, ganyan kabait si Catherine eh. Manalo matalo basta ginawa ang best. Yan pinaka-importante dyan sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.